If I asked you right now, what builds more muscle, body weight or dumbbells? Most people will immediately say dumbbells. Lifting weights, heavy iron, gym equipment. But what if I told you the strongest, toughest, most resilient bodies on this planet were built with something far simpler? Not machines, not dumbbells, not fancy gym programs, just their own body weight. And the truth is, for millions of people over 40, 50, 60, and even 70, bodyweight training is not only safer but scientifically proven to grow more muscle than dumbbells in many situations. Today, I'm going to show you 6 powerful bodyweight exercises that build more muscle than dumbbells. No equipment, no gym, no noise, just gravity, your body, and the smartest training backed by global research. But first, let me tell you a short story. A few years ago, a 68-year-old man walked into a physical therapy clinic in Tokyo. He had back pain, weak legs, difficulty climbing stairs. Doctors told him he needed strength training, but he was afraid of weights. He thought they were dangerous for his age. Instead, his therapist told him something simple. Use your own body. Learn to move it well. Master basic exercises. Build muscle with control, not heavy metal. 6 months later, he came back for a checkup. He was stronger. He had less pain. And the doctor tested his leg strength and balance. His results were higher than many men in their 50s. What changed? Not dumbbells, not machines, just bodyweight exercises. The same 6 exercises I'll share with you today. For older adults around the world, bodyweight movements are now recommended by orthopedic surgeons, physical therapists, and strength researchers. Studies from the US, Japan, Europe, and Australia all show the same pattern. The body responds better to natural full range motion. It builds muscle faster when the push comes from your own weight, and it protects your joints instead of hurting them. So let's break down the 6 exercises that build more muscle than dumbbells and why they are so effective for every age. 1. Push-ups. Push-ups are called the king of upper body bodyweight training. Research from multiple sports science universities shows they activate your chest and triceps as much as a heavy bench press. Why? Because you are lifting your entire body weight, and that body weight is heavier than the dumbbells most people use. Push-ups build chest, shoulders, arms, and also strengthen your core because your whole body stays tight and stable. If you are older, wall push-ups or table push-ups still offer incredible strength gains, better posture, better arm strength, reduced shoulder pain, stronger chest, and better ability to push yourself up from a bed or chair. This one movement alone can replace half the dumbbell exercises people do at the gym. 2. Squats. Squats are the #1 muscle builder for your legs and hips. And believe it or not, bodyweight squats can outperform dumbbell squats for one big reason. Your legs must lift your entire body every time you stand up. Dumbbells add weight, but your body weight is already a big load. Most adults cannot squat their body weight with a barbell, but they do it every day when they get out of bed or a chair. Squats strengthen the thighs, hips, glutes, and even back muscles. Doctors around the world use squats in rehab to rebuild muscle in older adults. Benefits: stronger walking, less knee pain, better ability to climb stairs, more mobility and balance. 3. Glute bridges. The glute bridge is one of the most underrated muscle builders. It activates your glutes more than many weightlifting exercises, including dumbbell hip thrusts for beginners. Why is this important? Because weak glutes cause back pain, poor balance, and slow walking speed in older adults. Researchers in Switzerland tested bodyweight glute bridges in seniors and found significant increases in hip strength within just 4 weeks. Glute bridges lift your entire torso using your hips. More range of motion, more muscle recruitment, more stability. Benefit: reduced back pain, improved walking posture, stronger hips and hamstrings, better support for your spine. 4. Step-ups. This exercise is a quiet monster. A single leg lifts your entire body weight. That's far more resistance than holding dumbbells. Step-ups train the glutes, thighs, calves, and balance muscles all at once. They mimic real-life movements like climbing stairs and getting into a car. Studies from European sports labs show step-ups activate more glute and quad muscle fibres than dumbbell lunges. Benefits: better balance, higher leg strength, more stability during daily life, lower fall risk. For older adults, step-ups are one of the safest and most functional strength builders. 5. Planks. If there is one core exercise that beats dumbbells, it's the plank. Why? Because dumbbells cannot challenge your entire trunk at once. A plank makes your abs, lower back, obliques, shoulders, and even legs work together. It builds total body stability, which is one of the most important qualities as you age. Researchers in Australia found planks improve spine control better than most gym machines. Benefits: better posture, reduced back pain, stronger core for daily movement, better ability to lift, twist, and carry safely. Even a 10-second plank is more effective than dozens of small dumbbell exercises. 6. Wall sit. The wall sit is a strength endurance builder. It fires up your quads and glutes and keeps them under constant tension. This constant muscle load builds strength faster than light dumbbells. Sports scientists call this type of training isometric resistance, and it's proven to increase muscle activation and endurance. Many physical rehab programs worldwide include wall sites because they are joint-friendly but very effective. Benefits: strong thighs, powerful leg endurance, better standing and walking stamina, reduced knee pressure compared to squats. Why bodyweight builds more muscle than dumbbells for most people? This is where global research becomes important. Studies from the National Strength and Conditioning Association show that bodyweight training is equally effective for muscle growth when the movement is done through full range of motion. Physical therapy researchers in Japan found that older adults build muscle faster with controlled bodyweight exercises than with dumbbells. European medical reviews show bodyweight training reduces injury risk and improves balance more effectively. And countless rehab programs use bodyweight first because the body understands natural movement better than external load. Your muscles respond to challenge, not equipment, and your body weight is already the perfect challenge. When you push, pull, squat, bridge, or hold your own weight, your muscles are forced to adapt. And that adaptation builds strength, stability, mobility, and real functional muscle. So if you're watching this and thinking you need dumbbells to get stronger, you don't. You need consistency. You need movement. You need exercises that make sense for your joints and your age. You need smart training, not heavy training. The 6 exercises we covered today push your body naturally, safely, and effectively. Push-ups, squats, glute bridges, step-ups, planks, wall sits. These are your foundation, your muscle builders, your joint protectors, your daily workout, your path to a stronger, safer, more independent life. If you want more simple, science-backed training for all ages, hit the subscribe button and stay with me. Let's build strength. Let's move better. Let's age powerfully.